Hi, I am Tarek and I am a computer science student. Welcome to Dotbot YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about the requirements of this full series. So, have a look. First, we need to have one computer, one operating system, which will be installed inside this computer. It can be Windows operating system, it can be any Linux operating system, like it can be Ubuntu, it can be Arch, it can be Mint, it can be Parrot OS, it can be Kali Linux, etc. And you have to be passionate to learn cybersecurity. Now I will tell you something which are not mandatory, but if you have this skill, then you can do something very fast and you can understand everything step by step and properly. If you need to know that SQL database, because most of websites use SQL database. PHP programming language, it is very important because this is a very used server-side language. HTML and JavaScript. If you know this, then you are welcome, but if you don't know this, don't worry about this. I will share the in-depth knowledge in this course. Hope you are doing great. Thank you.